good morning. This is Shilpa. Welcome to Shilpa Tally online class. Today I am going to explain the calculation of GST for the percentage of 28%. As I told you in the last video, I explained with all percentage like 3, 5, 12, 18. Now I am going to explain the 28%. So in the 28%, what are the items will come? For example, you can make it as weighing machine, washing machine, ATM, vending machines, vacuum cleaners, automobiles, motorcycles, aircraft for personal use. So these are all the items which comes under 28%. So first activation steps and all I explained in the last video. We have to create one company, PK company. There we have to create the accounts info in that ledger. So first I am taking GST purchases at 28%. Under purchase accounts, applicable, yes, here purchase taxable 28%. Goods. So 28% I said for local, so we have to give 14% for central government and 14% for state government. So you can take it as input CGST at 14% under duties and taxes, GST 14%, normal rounding 1. Next input SGST at 14% under duties and taxes, GST state 14%, normal rounding 1. Now you can create any party. For example, I will create the party name is Enjoy and Company as a sundry creditor. Enjoy and Company as a sundry creditor. Setter order GST detail is, you can take it as regular 29 5K, $29 5K 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 A1 Z5. Now we have to create the stock items. You can go to inventory info, stock item, create. See 28% you can make it as vacuum cleaners. Vacuum cleaners, which comes under electronic item, which is measured in numbers, applicable yes, on value, taxable 28%. Rate of duties you can give 5%. Another one, vending machines. Vending machines, which comes under electrical items, number, applicable yes, on value, taxable 28%. Now whatever the items we have done, based on that we have to pass the vouchers. The same procedure as I said earlier, accounting voucher, F8 sales, you can go to Enjoy Company as a party, GST purchases at 28%, you can go for purchase taxable. Here you can take vending machines, another one, motorcycles, motorcycle, otherwise what item I have given like weighing machines, otherwise ATM machines. You can select as ATM machine is not there, I will create with the shortcut key of Alt C, ATM machines. So numbers, applicable yes, on value, taxable 28%. Here input CGST 14%, input SGST 14%. So this is the creation of purchase voucher. After that you can find out in the display daybook. Here NJ company 28% have done. Okay. Now if you want to see in the GST report, statutory reports, GST, R2 in the for purchases, you can go for B2B invoice. There you are finding all the items NJ company which is comes under 28%. Okay, so this is the creation of 28% GST items for local purchases. For alteration and deletion, as I told you in the last video, same procedure only follow. Okay, so if you like this video, please share it, subscribe it and comment it. Thank you.